Hi there! Today I will show you how you can create a very easy summer nails. Start off with the base coat, then add 1 or 2 layers with light brown nail polish depending how covering your polish is. When the polish is totally dry, put 2 pieces of tape across your nail so that there forms a triangle. Fold the triangle with light pink nail polish. Now remove 2 tapes. Next, limit the pink triangle with a thin silver line. Now add a little bit of nail glue at the bottom of the triangle. You can use a bobby pin to place in the diamond. Finally, add the top coat so your nails will last longer. Now your nails are done. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked it.